Well, anybody's doubting them Yada lights on clearance at Walmart, the 4-inch 3000 lumen, and somebody said, oh, they're 1500 a piece. No, they're not. They're 3000 a piece. Thank you. Bam. Dude, these, for what they are, holy shit, dude. They're badass. Especially if you... Yeah, I got a friend who's a perfectionist, and he puts it in. Looks like it was factory done, even the switch on the inside. It makes it so much more enjoyable. But yeah, those aren't 1500 lumen spotlights, because, well, just because that's, I don't know, 300 feet to that fence row anyways. And when I pull out of our farm, out on the road, it's exactly a half mile down to the main road, and they shine all the way down there. So anybody worried about getting an $8 pair of Yada spotlights, I say 1000% go for it. Best deal of the year right there.